Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome, my name is Claire. I've got another beauty box to share with you and it's from Nuxe, and this is their With Love beauty box and it's a special edition for Mother's Day. The box costs £20 and it has a value of £83. You'll find details of this box down below in my description, as well as a link to their beauty box page, which currently have 22 different beauty boxes ranging from £15 up to, I believe, around £60, as well as links to those beauty boxes. You'll find down below a huge list of offers, discount codes, freebies, any giveaways I've got running. You'll find it all listed down there, so you're welcome to take a look. But yeah, so let's get on to showing you then what's inside here. What I love about these boxes, they do them with the birthday edits as well. It's like to and from, so like a proper gift, isn't it? Proper gift. That's what the inside looks like. I've just ordered the new ASOS March beauty box, which should be coming tomorrow. If it does come, then I'll film and I'll upload that tomorrow night. And also the new Marks and Spencer's beauty box as well, which is really lovely, really nice. So that should be here, I think, Saturday. So as soon as I get it, again, I will upload it so you can have a look to see if it's for you or not. But yeah, so give you a little bit of a sneak peek there. There's lots of worms to protect everything, but we get a little card and it details everything about the products inside the box, so I'll refer to that as we go along. First up, we've got a product from Sanctuary Spa. This is a Melting Pearls Body Butter, 7-day moisture, argan oil, sweet amber and oud scent, and there's 75 mils there. Oh, yeah. Look at that, look at that. Oh, look. Oh. Oh, I love creams. Okay. Just put a bit on my hand. It's a really nice smell. Yeah, can't describe it. Can't describe it. Sweet amber and oud. Yeah, that's lovely. It feels nice as well. So we've got a body cream there. I'll just have a look in the information booklet to see if I can tell you anything else about it. This indulgent body butter will leave your skin feeling velvetly soft for up to 7 days. Smooth on after your morning shower to let the divine scent stay with you all day long. So there's that. Then we've got an ELEMIS Pro-Collagen Marine Cream with SPF30 and there's 15 mils there. I adore this cream. I love the fact that it's got SPF 30 in it. It's just nice and easy. In the summertime, I do like my SPFs to be separate. Winter time, if I'm not going out and about much, then I'll tend to wear moisturiser with an SPF in it just to reduce my skincare. This is gorgeous. I've used this on and off for a couple of years now and I love the Marine Collagen range. Part powerful anti-wrinkle cream, part next generation sunscreen. This skincare icon is an everyday essential. Your face and neck will love the line reducing formula and your handbag will adore the handy travel size tube. Next we've got a really cute little bottle. How much is this? This is 10 mils. This is from Nuxe and it's a multi-purpose dry oil face for face and body and hair. So for everything. Is this the floral one? Yeah, Florale. This is really nice. I think we've had this a few times in different... why am I showing you? It's an oil. You're not going to see anything. In different Nuxe boxes. Oh, it just smells so nice. I can smell an neroli in it, but you know me, I might be completely wrong. I can't remember. It doesn't tell me what's in there. It might do in the information. Oh, I absolutely love it. It is really nice. I tend to take these because I got a few little ones and I've got ones with sparkle in them as well. I tend to take them on holiday with me if I go in abroad or something. Enriched with 7 botanical oils and scented with a heavenly floral fragrance, this nourishing dry oil can moisturise and repair from top to toe, including stretch marks, damaged hair and dry skin. Yeah, I don't use it on my hair. For my skin, I do. Next, we've got a little mini Pixi Glow Tonic. This is a toner with glycolic acid, 40 mils there. It's a great toner. Again, I've been using this on and off for years and years. It contains 5% glycolic acid. So really great for your skin, especially fine lines, texture and things like that. Yeah, I do like it. But currently I'm using Paula's Choice. Oh, I love that. That's BHA. Reveal your natural glow with Pixi's exfoliating toner, charged with glycolic acid to buff away dead skin, leaving your face feeling firmer and looking radiant. Then we got some patches for your eyes. This is Beauty Pro Retinol Under Eye Patch. Single-use patches in there, and it gives you all the information you need on the back on how long to use them and things. Be gone uneven texture. Treat your delicate under eye area to a little TLC with these serum-filled patches with vitamin B5 to rejuvenate the skin and aloe vera to help retain moisture. Next, we got a product from This Works. This is In Transit Camera Close-Up. Be ready for that close-up in seconds with a mask, moisturiser and primer in one. And there's 20 mils there. Designed to reduce redness and the appearance of wrinkles for skin that feels and looks naturally radiant. This portable pick-me-up ensures you're always ready for that close-up moment. So, then we've got a little cleansing balm by Emma Hardie, and this is Moringa Cleansing Balm. And we have got here... we have got 15 mils, so it's a teeny tiny pot, but enough for you to try, or if you're going away for the night or for the weekend, then yeah, it is nice. It smells gorgeous. Look, look. Oh, yeah, I love this. I do really like that. So again, it's another product that we see a lot in different beauty boxes, but I really like it. It says, daily dirt, makeup and impurities, all gone in the blink of an eye. Perfect your evening routine with Emma Hardie's Deep Cleansing Balm, infused with an all-star lineup of natural ingredients to hydrate, moisturise and condition the skin. And then lastly, we've got Aromatherapy Associates. This is De-Stress Mind Bath and Shower Oil. And there's 9 mils there. I've had this a few times in different boxes as well. Oh, it just smells amazing. Oh, I can smell the lavender. It says add 2 capsules to your bath or smooth it over your body before showering. Formulated with frankincense, petitgrain, wild chamomile and rosemary to help you relax and organise your thoughts as you shower. So there you go. So those are all the products in this next Mother's Day with Love beauty box. I'll just go through them all, giving you a bit of a recap. We've got a Sanctuary Spa body butter. We've got a Pixi Glow Tonic, an exfoliating toner. We've got a Nuxe Floral multi-purpose dry oil. We've got an ELEMIS Pro-Collagen Marine Moisturising Cream with SPF30. We've got a This Works In Transit Close-Up, a 3-in-1 product. Emma Hardie Moringa Cleansing Balm. Beauty Pro Under Eye Retinol Patches. And lastly, Aromatherapy Associates De-Stress and Mind Bath and Body Oil. The cost of the box is £20 and it has a value of £83. There's some really lovely products in there. A lot of them I have seen in other beauty boxes, and there are some crossovers in other Next beauty boxes as well. But for £20, I do think that it's a nice little box as a gift to give to someone or as a treat for yourself, especially if you haven't tried many of these products in here. I'd love to hear your thoughts. What do you think of this box? Have you bought it for yourself? Have you bought it to gift to someone? Or are you watching this thinking, nah, it's not for me? All your thoughts and opinions, I'd love to know. So please comment down below and I'll speak to you all again soon. Take care. Bye.